I'm Ella,
I'm Rich.
and we're doing a little hot takes in the hallway.
Enjoy.
My hot take, knees are overrated. You don't need them that much.
So my hot take is that having your license is completely overrated. Like, honestly, just get your friends to drive you around, and then you could pay them gas money if you need to. But you don't need a license. Nobody needs that. That's my hot take.
What's your hot take?
I think Taylor Swift's music really sucks.
It's a good one.
Who are we with today?
I am Leo.
What's your hot take, Leo?
I despise French toast.
Man. Who are we with today?
Richard Glena.
What's your hot take?
The only way to eat mac and cheese is with a spoon.
All right.
What's your hot take?
Skiing is better than snowboarding.
Interesting.
Brayden, what's your hot take?
The Taco Bell is terrible.
Hey, Vinny, what's your hot take?
You should put milk in before the syrup.
I don't understand that at all. Kendall, what's your hot take?
Cookies and milk is overrated.
Yeah, that kind of makes sense, actually. I agree with that.
Broder, what's your hot take?
GTA 6 about to be a letdown, on God. I've been waiting since 2013 for that game, and it's gonna be.
Come on, Rockstar. Jacob Smith, what's your hot take?
If you wear sweatpants, your socks better be tucked into them.
So, Gabe, what's your hot take?
Current hot take involves Twitter and the belief that cancel culture shouldn't even exist in the first place.
Thank you, Gabe. That was a good answer.
Ethan, what is your hot take?
I'd say that glasses are really overrated.
Thank you.